I hope you are doing well and also enjoying the exercises with the ball. And so we are in the second week, second phase. So we were focusing on the ball filling part using our lace part and sole part. Yes, we are going to progress our exercise with the next set now. So in the first exercise, which is balancing with the sole part. So you have to keep your body balancing, and with the sole part you have to turn the ball from around yourself. So while doing this exercise, make sure that you are focusing on the body balance, and also you are controlling the ball with the sole part. So you have to do this for 1 minute with the right leg, and then you have to do it for 1 minute with the left leg. So this is how you have to do this 6 times, 3 times with the right leg, 3 times with the left leg for 1 minute. The second exercise in this plan is toe tap and roll. So you have to do toe taps for 30 seconds and then roll the ball from the right side to the left side with your right leg. And again you have to do 30 seconds toe taps there, and then again you have to roll the ball from left side to right side. So this you have to do for 3 times. So completing one set. One set comprise doing toe taps on the right side, rolling the ball from right side to left side, then again doing the toe taps for 30 seconds, and again doing rolling the ball to the right side again. So this is one set. So like this you have to do it for 3 sets, and then you can take a 30 seconds break. So in the third exercise, which is lace touches and drag back, we have to do it in a straight line, taking touches to the point which we are kept in front of us, and then we have to do a drag back to the initial position. So this you have to continuously do 10 times with the right leg, and then you have to do with the 10 times with your left leg. So your both legs will be strong. And focus one point: while dragging back, you should not keep your leg which is on the ball down. So keep that leg on the ball itself till that you are not on the initial place. So this point you have to focus on. So the fourth exercise in this plan is taking touches and stopping in the box. So you have to move towards the box which you have marked with your lace part touches, and you have to stop the ball in the box with your sole part. So make sure that you are not stopping that ball outside the box. You have to stop it in the box with the same leg only which you are taking the touches with. And make sure you are taking the touches softly so that the ball will not go outside your control. So you have to do this for 10 times with your right leg, and then after that 10 times with your left leg. The last the last exercise in the plan is take touches, roll back and come back, roll the ball and come back to the place. So in this exercise, make sure that you are doing everything. You are taking touches, you are rolling the ball, you are from one side to other side, you are dragging the ball back. So this exercise will be a perfect complete package of our aim. So in this exercise, make sure that you are taking the touches towards the marker. You are not going away from the marker. And the most important point in this exercise is you have to perform the role very correctly. So you have when you are taking doing the touches with the right leg first, going towards the marker. After that, you have to do a rollover part from right side to left side. There, the rollover should be perfect. It should not get obstructed between. So you have to do it from right side to left side, then again left side to right side, and then you have to come back with dragging back the ball to your initial position. So this you have to do 10 times with the right leg first, and then after that you have to complete it 10 times with the left leg. So this is how we are going to focus on basic ball filling exercises in this week. Demos will be uh, given to you by Smitesh sir, so that it will be more clear.
Hello. Now we are doing our last exercise, is balance and move. Now you have to stand straight, and then you have to roll your ball to the around your left leg like this. During this exercise, you have to maintain your body balance. Now we are using your left leg. So you have to do at least 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Use your right leg for 3 minutes and use your left leg for 3 minutes. Thank you. Hello everyone. From next 3 days, we are doing our new 4 exercises. In these exercises, we have doing a first exercise is toe tap and roll. For this, you have 2 markers. On the first, you have to stand on the first marker and you have to toe tap for 30 seconds. Let's start. And after 30 seconds, you have to roll to the left, stop, and again toe tap for next 30 seconds. Okay, so you have to do at least 6 times. For the right side, you have to do 3 times, and for the left side, you have to do 3 times. Done. Hello. Now we are doing our third exercise. In this third exercise, we are using our base part and sole part. In this exercise, we need 2 markers, and first we only use the right leg. I'll show you a demo. Stop and come. Now we are using the left leg. For this exercise, you have to do at least 20 times. 10 times with the right leg and 10 times with the left leg. Thank you. Now we are doing our fourth exercise, stop in the box. For this, we need a small square. You have to go at least 3 to 4 feet from the marker, and you have to dribble in the box, and you have to stop the ball in the box with the same leg, whichever you are going to dribble. So I'll show you a demo. Come back with the roll. Come back with the roll. Now use your left leg. Stop with the left. Come back. So in this exercise, you have to do at least 20 times repetition. Use your right leg for the 10 times and left leg for the 10 times. Hope you understand. Thank you. Hello. Our second exercise is touch, roll, and come back to the original position. So I'll show you a demo. For this exercise, you have to stand in front of your marker, and the distance between ball to the first marker is at least 2 feet, and then you have to touch with the lace part and roll over to the second marker, again come back to the original marker, first marker, and roll back to the original position. I'll show you a demo. Again roll back. Again roll back. Now for the left side, you have to use the left part with the left leg and roll to the right with the left leg, and again roll with the right leg to the left side and come back to the original position. I'll show you a demo. Left part, roll with the left, right, roll with the right and come back to the original position. So I'll show you a demo from the start. Okay, start. On the left side,